So we finally were able to put our hand on a product, on a commodity that we've been trying to source for a while. So we are very, very happy about that. I think the source makes sense. So I think what will be quite interesting for you guys is to follow me through my week, and I can walk you through what we do at Chromatic Dragon to basically market this product toward our portfolios, customer, and so on. So yeah, that's pretty much my idea for the week. But before speaking more about this product, we need to jump on a call with one of our students that is working on a deal, and he needs a little bit of help. So I don't know what is sensitive or not, so hopefully I can show you a bunch of our conversation, because I think it's quite interesting to eardrop on a conversation between two people trying to put a deal together. All right, Henry. So can you please let us know who you are and what do you do with your company?
Hey, I'm Henry. I am the founder of Bacteria International, me along a couple more partners. And what do? We trade currently with wood and sugar.
Do you have the bill right now? Do you have the
Yeah,
bill?
yeah, I have it.
Can you send it to me?
Yeah, sure.
And you can just ask them to explain what is the situation and to see if they can put your container in a newer booking. So how much can you accumulate? That's the question.
Oof. Wow. So we are dealing, we're going for you to have an idea, we're going to start January to deal with a production extraction of around 50 containers per month. So
Whoa. Okay.
that's a
Okay.
lot of
So,
waste. That's a
man, but
lot of waste.
do you have the right to do it, or you just go in
Yeah,
the mood and
no,
then
no, no, no. Of
and then
course.
you cut everything?
Okay, it's Panama. You can do whatever you want, but not
Yeah.
all you want.
All right, so now let me speak a little bit more about this new product. This new product that we have access to is lumpy chrome. So if you don't know, I own a company called Chromatic Dragon. We purchase, sell, store, process chrome, also called chromium. Chrome is a mineral used to make a stainless steel. As of now, we only traded and sold concentrate chrome. So this is basically chrome processed to have a better concentration of chromium in the product. But now we have access to lumpy chrome. We have had requests for that lumpy chrome for a while, so now we are very, very excited that we can finally have a reliable mine that we can buy from. So that's great. And yeah, so now I'm going to do all the costing, because usually it's my partner Adriano that do all the stuff for the chrome, but now he's very, very busy in Lubumbashi in DRC setting up another business unit. So I'm going to push forward for the lumpy chrome because he's really busy right now. So yeah, let me walk you through what we do as a team to market this product. And yeah, first step is to basically just check the price and make sure it makes sense with the market price. So let me show you how I do that. What? Hello, hey, do you see? All right, I don't know. I think the mic was on mute. All right, let me explain again. So basically what I'm trying to do here is I've taken Adriano's template. So usually I don't do it like this, but anyway. So, and what I want to see is I want to have three type of price. So basically I'm going to put the price that the mine is offering it. Right, that's the price of the mine. It's called here, the price is FOT, it means free on truck. So this Incoterms doesn't exist in real life, honestly. It's something that, I don't know, they love to use in South Africa, but it doesn't exist. So basically it's free on truck is the price of the product loaded on the truck. Here, so this is what they are offering right now. Then there's a price of transport from the mine to the warehouse, all right? And then we have the possibility to make a sales in the warehouse. 90% of the time, this is what we do. We sell it in the warehouse to a bigger trader, and the bigger trader is going to sell it to someone in China. Right, so we have the cost of handling the product in the warehouse, and that's pretty much it. And no financing cost in that case, because it's very 1 week. So there's no real financing cost. I need to analysis. Oh man, I don't remember the cost of that. In Rand, man, I need to ask my team what are the costs, but let's say 20 Rand per metric ton. Maybe it's less. I think it's less actually. But yeah, I don't know. I need to check. All right, so this is it. And then in case of a FOB sales, if we sell the product FOB, so then we need to put all those costs in. I'm not really sure, honestly, if all those costs are correct. I've been working on with this information. So this is a quote from our transport company, Steinweg. But man, you never know what is inside, what is not inside. I've no idea, man. There's a bunch of costs. You don't know if you need to put it or not. I mean, we already had like a call where she explained everything, but man, I forgot. It was like a few months ago, and I was not the one doing it, so I completely forgot all that. So I don't know. I put I put everything in my price. So then yeah, I know that at least some of them should be lower. So that's pretty much yeah, that's the idea. So then I'll with that I have the FOB price, and then I will also add the CIF China sales. So CIF price. So because I speak with a bunch of Chinese buyer, even though we are not selling to China right now. I mean, we don't really want to. We don't have the finance to do it, honestly. But if some Chinese buyer want to prepay, and we can do it. But as I speak with a bunch of Chinese buyer, I need to know what. So then I can calculate what is the price of the market here, and then with that sheet I can calculate. All right, so this is the FOT price. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I've been doing. All right, so now FOB. I guess I had like for the FOB price. So this is the price for Tenjin. All right. So this is the price for portafloating Bera. I don't know the price Durban, but I guess it should be cheaper if I do a warehouse sale. Let's say okay, warehouse sales. So and I sell it for 3,000. All right, so that will be our profit per metric ton. All right, so that's basically the how we use this sheet. But yeah, price is not here. This is too expensive. I know. So and also I have one other thing I can check. All right. Yep, all right, so here is basically the price of yesterday actually. Let's see what Chrome or Lumpy, what are the price of South Africa Chrome or Lumpy here. So here we have the price of China. For the, which one is it? So market price is here. So all right, so here basically this is what the price people are offering. Here this is the price that has been conducted, and I know that the price is going to be lower because right now the market is bearish. So basically, but it gives an idea for this product, for this type of lumpy. This is the reference price, and you see we are already above that, this reference price here. So I think honestly what I think is like I put it too much cost here. But anyway, I know where we are. I just need to inspect a little bit more to know exactly all the cost. But yeah, I think we are not that far. We need to beat a little bit the out of the supplier, because maybe he's not willing to decrease the price. But I think it's not too crazy. Yeah, not too crazy. All right. So I hope that that was not too boring. That was helpful.
Ouais, et Adri, donc voilà les prix basés sur le Lumpy 3840 qu'on peut avoir. Est-ce que tu peux envoyer un petit message à notre petite copine?
Alright guys, so real quick, so just we have 6 customers that could be interested in our Lumpy product. And yeah, so what I do, so I mean, you know, I run a bunch of companies. I have so many things in my head, and so the things that I do to be sure that I don't like forget to speak with one of our customers. Yeah, just don't forget. I always use those Trello boards. Those Trello boards are not for me to just speak with my team and so on. It's just for me to not to forget. So here's what it looks like. Here you see Basically, I have 6 customers that we know they can take this lumpy. Or no, let's say we know that we can sell to them, that we trust them, that they are real companies that have the money, and that we know that also they agree on our payment term. And yeah, I just moved the board from here. So this is the one that I need to call. This is the one that we are in conversation, and I need to give them information. Stupid price is the one that like give us a stupid price. Like, yeah, I'm willing to buy it at a price which is way too low. So that means that they are not interested now. So or no interest. So basically, that's pretty much it. I just move the client here, and then so then I can follow up. I know exactly whom I need to follow up, and so on. So yeah, that's a very simple way to organize it. But this is what I do.
Morning, Damien.
Good morning. So you really get up at 4 a.m. every day?
Yeah, no, it's no time for sleep.
Okay.
A little bit.
Yes.
Yeah.
So right now I'm on I'm in the taxi. I'm going to take my flight. I'm going to Singapore, and I'm going to see a big Chrome buyer, and he's interesting in the lumpy. So can you get the full analysis, like the sizing and everything? Can you get that today?
I'm going to the mine on Thursday, which is tomorrow.
Okay.
So I'll tell you exactly what's available, but that's the best material you'll get. It's LG6.
Yeah.
So you're not getting much better than that.
No, I know that,
March.
but I need to. I've seen the result, but I need to have the full specs, like sizing and everything, just from the mine.
Yeah. Okay. I will send it to you a bit later.
Pour le SIM, pour nous, on peut envoyer des deux côtés, à Brera ou à CityDeep.
Exactement, mais maintenant ce qui fait le plus de sens, c'est, tu vois, comme le prix de transport entre Brera et CityDeep, c'est la même chose. À Brera, t'es déjà au port.
Alright guys, so look at this room. It's Singapore. It's small and expensive, man. Like 1 bedroom, and that's pretty much it, man. Hopefully there is at least like a shower. Oh yeah, there is. Man, Singapore. Have you spoken with your guy? Where is the interest?
Yeah, I've spoken to a couple of guys actually. So one of them were saying that the market is not there yet.
Yeah.
Second one was asking for size analysis, SIF analysis.
Regarde si tu peux l'appeler pour savoir où est-ce qu'elle est, à quoi elle pense et tout. Je pense que ça peut. Et regarde-le, sinon moi je le fais pas de soucis. So here what I've just asked Adriano is to call one of the lead that answered with more questions, and so that showed that there is like somewhat an interest. And the problem is with messages, with WhatsApp and so on, you don't really feel what is the intent behind those questions. So this is why I'm saying, like, look, man, you need to call her. I mean, this is that's how you close deal. All right. I'm in Singapore. I don't know if you can see it from here. Bunch of meetings tonight. 2 meetings tonight. Then tomorrow, 1 meeting for the Chrome, another meeting for Gromba Energy, and then in the morning another meeting for the business, the scrap business, and then fly back to Kuala Lumpur.
Yo,
Where are you, buddy?
I'm in the lobby.
Are you at the lobby? All right.
Yeah.
I'm going down. All right, guys. It's 6 a.m. and I jump on this to record that. Yeah, it doesn't look good, man. It doesn't look good. So we've just got a message that yesterday Glencore dropped their price of their Chrome product by $30, which is huge. For Chrome, I mean, the price of the product was like, I don't know, like $200. So you can imagine a drop of $30 is more than 10%. This is like, yeah. So that means that everything that we work for the last couple of weeks, I mean, now we need to start again everything. And at deep price, all the shitty supplier, they won't be able to compete, so they would have to close their mines. I mean, yeah, it's basically bad. All the Chinese are quite afraid actually of the Trump tariff. I think they have a low demand, and they really don't know about what is going to be the tariff with Trump, so they are not buying, so the demand is not there, and prices have been decreasing, that we know, but $30 is too much. So yeah, we are back to square one. I don't know. Hours and hours of work for nothing. Yeah, it happened. So yeah, we are going to see what is the result of this price drop from Glencore. Yeah, just wait and see where the market is going to be. But I'm not hopeful that we are going to do any deals by the end of this year, or maybe a very small one, something like this. Yeah, I don't know. All right. It's like this, man. It's like this. You know, in commodity trading, you really need to learn to be stoic, but also like have a strong will. So that means that you really want to do everything. You really need to do everything to close a deal, to fight for a deal. But sometimes you also need to be stoic in a way that when like this happens, I mean, there's nothing that I can do, and I cannot go to Glencore, I cannot go to China, increase the demand. I just need to accept the reality as it is. But yeah, even if it sucks. Alright, so I still don't know what to do regarding this steep market drop and what we should do. So I went out, took a coffee, but I think I've got something for this video. This video, I think, is the title of this video is going to be like getting by Glencore. No, maybe getting killed by Glencore or something like this. I mean, honestly, it's a market, man. There is no, I mean, one competitor that. Honestly, this is all of that, man, that some people like manipulate the market. Yes, maybe to some extent it's small market, but at the end of the day, the market is a market. Global demand, global supply is the name of the game. So, yes, sometimes some huge player can have an outsized impact on some few small market, but here in case of the Chrome, the market. So. That's pretty much why they decrease the price. Anyway, I'll drink that coffee, let's go to run, and then yeah, let's go with the meeting. Mais il faut qu'on sache à quoi pensent tous les acteurs, donc est-ce que tu peux l'appeler, ou si toi tu peux pas, moi j'appelle moi, quand je rentre ce soir, pas de soucis. Alright, so the plan of the day, 3 meetings, 1 brunch, another meeting, 1 lunch, and then like go to the airport. And yeah, we'll try to get a sense of where the market is after this news tonight. I'll keep you posted. Alright guys, so I'm back at the Changi airport in Singapore. And my flight should leave in 10 minutes, so we are boarding in 10 minutes, so I will get to go. But before that, just to give you a little update, so I had those 3 meetings. The 3 meetings was really nice, and I think we unlocked a bunch of things with one of them, so it's really, yeah, it's worth it. Again, people, you need to put your fat ass in a plane, go meet people, see people face to face and so on, because this is the only way that you are going to unlock big things. So in that part I'm very happy. The other part is like I don't think there is going to be like any deal shown on this vlog, on this video, because the market is like shell shocked, you know. Nobody is giving like any price, no buyers are giving any price or price. For the sellers this is the same, they are not willing to decrease the price even though the market is not what it was yesterday. So yeah, no Chrome deal for this week, I guess. But anyhow, we'll still push because I still think we have a chance to do something with one of them. But yeah, man, everyone needs to come down, see what's up, what is the reality of the demand, and some supplier right now, they cannot really supply no more because their margin doesn't allow it. All the shitty guys that didn't know how to run their wash plant and so on, they are the ones that are going to get punched in the ass. So punch in the ass. Anyway, so we'll see how it goes. I'm very sad. I would have liked to show you some win, but it's like this, man. Anyhow, that's it for the vlog. So as always, please let me know below this video what you think about those vlogs, what you would like to see, what you don't want to see. I'm always like reading all the comments, and thanks for everyone that is watching this. Ciao.